It's Alice Alvoria. I've got a fall makeup look that I'm dying to show you. I've already gone ahead and put on my primer base and my foundation. So let's go ahead and start with my eyes. I'm going to start with Flaming Lips, and we're just going to take it and put it onto the top crease of my eye. Going in with Earthquake, I'm going to go just underneath that line that we just put in. Now I want to use the color Ember and softly bring it in from the outer edge. I'm going to add a thin line just below that gold line that we did earlier, and then that'll be it for this black color. The last step of the eyeshadow is going to be taking this gold color, and I'm just going to use my finger to take it from the inner corner of my eye and try and blend it. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Let's move on to the final touches for the eyes. I've got Burgundy mascara. So let's give our eyelashes a curl. This look needs something extra to make it pop, so I'm going to add a little bit of white eyeliner to the corners of my eyes to highlight them. So let's tan those eyebrows. Oh, let's go in with some blush. Going in with our highlighter. I've got my translucent powder that I'm going to pat all over my face. Now for the final step, I've got a couple colors of lipstick that I'm going to put on. The lighter one's going to go on the bottom and the darker on the top. And there you have it. That's our fall makeup look. I'm gonna go change my outfit so that we can really complete this look. Be right back. I almost forgot. There's a couple more things I wanted to add. We're gonna take our white eyeliner and just underneath one of our eyes, we're gonna put a little heart. And this part here is optional. If you want to leave it just as the fall makeup look, go ahead. But I think this adds a cute little touch. And right here, I'm going to add a couple stars. Am I giving off fall vibes? Here's the whole look put together. I'm feeling super cozy. And you know what? I think I'm craving a pumpkin spice latte. Well, let me know down below what you think of my fall aesthetic. I had so much fun creating this makeup look and showing it to you. Thank you so much for joining me. I'd love to know if you tried out yourself. See you in the next one.